सायनारा तुका हांव फाटले 3-4 दीस पळयता. फिल्म फेस्टिवल चलता, तूं फिल्म इंट्रोड्यूस करता आनी बरें एन्थुजियस्ट. तूं एक जज आशिल्ले व्यक्ती, तूं ताजे पयलीं जर्नलिस्टूय आसा. सो हे दीस इज ए न्यू रोल.
येस, इट इज अ न्यू रोल एंड म्हाका बरें दिसता की यू कीप युअर सेल्फ एक्टीव. And I have always been active right from my childhood, in college also. There is not a minute that I would susegad. I mean susegad muttani tashe. I was never susegad. I was always on my toes. And I believe that whatever opportunities come, you need to make the best of the opportunities. So, though I'm 61 years of age, but I don't think age comes in the way. It's energy, it's your mindset. आणि आमी सगळे कितें बरें दिसता करपाक तें आमी करपाक जाय. Yes, I was a judge. So whatever I could do within my limitations, I did it. And whatever I could not do, I did not do it. And those things I'm doing now. And I'm passionate about everything. And yes, I live my life. I don't bother
after retirement.
Anybody.
After retirement, you are now in IFFI, enjoying, watching films, announcing, coming out, talking to people, talking to actors. So this really keeps you going, keeps you energetic, keeps you happy.
Hi, this na pare. I'm full of happiness and full of passion. I like to do innovative things and I like to keep myself going. So this is my funda of life. Just be you, go after your passion, go after your dreams and make a change. Touch the lives of people, make everybody happy.
Sayanora, after retirement now, what do you want to do?
After retirement, yeah, I've retired a year back and I'm doing various things, whatever I like. I have also started my NGO, Beyond Barriers Towards Hope, and we work for the marginalized communities. Mediation, women prisoners, counseling, reintegration, and I'm also on the committee of National Security Act, which is constituted under it as a member, and also as an adjudicating officer for RERA. I also conduct a lot of awareness sessions and programs for the benefit of the beneficiaries. So I believe that awareness is a must.
Sayanora, yes. You also like acting, singing, writing. You are a former journalist, so you also sing. Put
Yes.
on Facebook. You are very popular on Facebook.
Thank you so much for this appreciation. Yes, I was always passionate about music, but what happened was I was not given the support and encouragement by my parents. They always wanted me to concentrate on my studies. So whatever I couldn't do at that point of time, I am now doing that.
Very nice.
And actually during the time of my childhood, there were no dance classes or schools or music schools. I studied in Garden Angel High School at Sourdare. It was only after I left Sourdare that some music institutions came to be set up. So apart from my liking for singing, dance, I believe that it is very therapeutic. Like music is a therapy. I love to sing, so I keep singing.
Nice, nice, very nice. Sayanora, you are full of life. तू इतले सामकें उत्साही, तुजे भितर एक सामकें रगत सळसळटा, तूं सामकें आनंदी, खुशयेन आनी तुका पळयतकीर दुसऱ्याकय बरो आनंद मेळटा. सो तुजे सारके मनीस जेन्ना इफ्फीन भितर अशें अनाउन्समेंट करता, फिल्म इंट्रोड्यूस करता, लोकांकय बरें दिसता. आनी तूं बाकीच्या लोकां भशेन न्ही, तूं येवन बरें फिल्म इंट्रोड्यूस करता आनी तूं लोकांकय बरें आनंद दिता.
Thank you. It's really nice. What I believe also that कितें करपाक जाय आमी, we should not have much of greed. You should be content with your life, with whatever you have. And I'm really content with whatever I have. So it keeps me happy.
Thank you. Thank you very much.